Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder it's not working on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve it's not working on your country Tinder, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will search about Tinder and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. After that you can go to Play Store, you will search about Tinder. If you will find here update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.